Hi, welcome to our tutorial about how to use TechSmith Recorder. So, the first few things we must check has nothing to do with the program itself, but rather with the software and the screen resolution. So, first of all, you must check that your microphone is working properly and is plugged in. The second thing you must do is check that your screen resolution is about 1024 to 768. Most of the computers in the university are set to this resolution. If the resolution doesn't show at the option list, choose a resolution that is as similar as possible to the mentioned one. So, the other thing you must check is that your internet connection is to BGU WPA. Otherwise, the lecture won't be able to be uploaded directly onto the course Moodle page. So you must be connected to BGU WPA. The last thing you must check before using the program is by pressing the function button located at the lower left of your keyboard plus the F8 button, and then when you get this menu you must make sure you're on duplicate. If you use extend or second screen only, you won't be recording the computer's screen. Remember, the program records the computer's screen and not the screen that is showing on the whiteboard, for example. So, after we've checked all of these four things, we can move on to the program. Okay, let's begin by starting the program. The first thing we must do is logging in. We will provide you with the server's name and password for each course that you're taking, and it's important to write the certain course name and password in order for the video to be uploaded to its certain Moodle page and not to other pages. So, I'll put this one for example. Okay, once you're logged in, you must press that green button to disable the auto mode. The program doesn't do that very well. You want to adjust the microphone by yourself and play with this button. You want the volume to be as high as possible without getting any red lines like this. So you'll adjust it. If you get red lines, it means that in the recording you'll hear very messy sounds. After you've checked this button and this scale, press audio and check the microphone that you're using. If you're using an external microphone, be sure to check it and be sure to uncheck this checkbox. If it's checked, it will record system audio. For example, if your lecturer is using Kahoot, it will ruin the recording because you'll hear the Kahoot music destroying the lecture instead of the lecture itself. So, unchecked it. Cool. Now, press Publish to Moodle and the course title, for example, Lecture 1. Once you're ready, press Rec for recording. Now the recording runs. So, you can do whatever you like. The program is recording what's going on the screen, and while doing so also records the lecturer's voice. Once you go on a break, for example, you press the program and pause. I recommend pressing stop and then uploading each part of the lecture as two separate parts, because then it loads faster from the page. So you can resume your recording like this, or press stop. Once you've pressed stop, you can trim the lecture, which is very useful because sometimes you want to open the recording before the lecturer even enters the class, and then you can sit down and do whatever you wish, and before uploading the video you can just trim the parts in which the lecturer was absent. Okay, more than that, you can change the title. You can press publish to Moodle. You want it to be on publish to Moodle, and I'm using a resolution which doesn't fit my computer, but this button says upload, and you want to press it in order to send it to the server. Once you've pressed it, it will take about an hour or two, and it will be uploaded onto the Moodle page. But if you close the computer, it won't send it to the server. The computer must be open. In case you had recorded a lecture and right after that close the computer, the lecture is not gone. Once you reopen the computer, it will upload it from the point it had stopped. That's all. Good luck.